Hello everyone, this is Professor Ho. In this video, we will try to review all the operations for decimal. In which case, after this video, you should be able to calculate all the operations that deals with decimal numbers. So let's look at the first part of it. We'll look at decimal adding first. So in decimal additions, what we have to do is that we simply have to line up the decimal points when we do our math. So take number 1 for example, 2.4 plus 3.3, 0.4 plus 3.3. The whole idea of that is that the decimal point has to line up. So now we can do the math. 4 plus 3 is 7. Bring down the decimal point. 2 plus 3 is 5. So number 1 will be 5.7. Number 2, you have 12.7 plus 2.8. So let's take a look. 12.7 and 2.8. Again, check your decimal points, see if they are lined up together. If so, put it down as well. Now I can do 7 plus 8, which is 15. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Bring down the 1. Altogether, you should have 15.5. Next, I have 6.72 plus 5.49. 6.72 plus 5.49. Check the decimal point again. If they are lined up together, put it down as well. So 2 plus 9 is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 1 is 12. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So you should have 12.21. Number 4, I have 245.987 plus 16.204. I lined up my decimal points already, so let's put it down. 7 plus 4 is 11. 8 plus 0 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 1 is 12. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Bring down the 2. So altogether, you should have 262.191. Number 5, you have 34.69 plus 72.507. As always, bring down the decimal point first. Then you can do the math. In here, if you want, you can put down the 0 in here, just to make it clear for yourself. If you feel comfortable with that, you can omit the 0. Anyhow, it will be 0 plus 7, which is 7. 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 plus 5 is 11. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. So together, you should have 107.197. I hope this part is clear. And now we'll move to the subtraction part of it. So let me clear the work. Okay. In the subtraction portion of it, let's work on number 1. 7.4 minus 3.3. Same thing, you just have to line up the decimal points. If they are lined up, put it down as well. Now your 4 minus 3 is 1, 7 minus 3 is 4. So number 1 should be 4.1. Number 2, I have 15.7 minus 2.8. 7 cannot minus 8, so it will become 17, while the 5 will become a 4. 17 minus 8 will be 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down the 1. You have 12.9. Number 3. I have 6.79 minus 5.42. The decimal are lined up, so put it down here. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1.37. Number 4. I have 45.53 minus 16.69. 3 cannot minus the 9, so it will become 13. This will become 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 cannot minus 6, so we have to borrow 1 from the next unit as well. So the 4 will become 14, and the 5 will become 4. 14 minus 6 is 8. Bring down the decimal point. 4 cannot minus 6, so we'll do the 4 will become 14. This 4 will become 3. 14 minus 6 will be 8. 3 minus 1 will be 2. So altogether you have 28.84. Last one. You have 94.609 minus 72.517. 9 minus 7 is 2. 0 will become a 10, while the 6 become a 5. 10 minus 1 is 9. 5 minus 5 is 0. Bring down the decimal point. 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 7 is also 2. So altogether you have 22.092. Okay. I hope this video is clear for you guys to do decimal additions and subtractions. Next video we'll talk about how we can do decimal multiplications and divisions.